right, hey boys and girls. So math today, favorite toy day. So hopefully you've got a favorite toy of yours. I was considering being on the hoverboard. That is probably my favorite current toy as an adult. But I went down to the basement and I found some old stuff that I used to like when I was a kid. So I wanted to show it to you. First, check this out. This is my Thundercats lunchbox. That guy in the middle, Lionel, I was him for Halloween like 4 years in a row. Thundercats, ho! That was one of the things they would say. Anyways, inside here I actually have a couple other toys I liked a whole lot when I was a kid. So, I mentioned the show, Thundercats. Here were some of the characters. I don't remember all their names. But here were some of the characters from Thundercats. I mean, these are, to give you an idea, guys, these are almost 40 years old. Like old stuff right here. Maybe they're worth something. I don't know. This is my main guy, Lionel. Look at it. Ah! That's how toys used to work back in the day. There'd be the little, maybe they still do, I don't even know. But there's the little trigger on the back and you'd hit it. Oh, so this isn't, well, kind of works. And his arm goes, right? So that was one. And the other one I loved as a kid were these things. These are my absolute favorite. They were called starting lineups. See these? And starting lineups were baseball, football, hockey, different players, and they would stand up on their own, and they were called starting lineups. So got Ricky Henderson, Jose Canseco, and Darryl Strawberry. I mean, we're getting old here with these. Some of your parents will recognize some of these names, though. But favorite toy day. Now, you probably didn't know. Oh, okay. They even have a Larry Bird starting lineup. How great is that? Like, he can move his hands. Dunk it, Larry. All right, now, before I open up that lunchbox and showed you what was inside, it was unknown. You didn't know what was in there, right? And that's what we're going to talk about today. We've done this earlier in the year. You know, might say something like 2 plus blank equals 5. And you have to figure out that missing number. We're going to do it today. We're just going to use larger numbers to do it. So I'll see you back in a second, and we'll have some fun. All right, so when we talk about unknowns, it simply just means we don't know what it is, right? So when you look at this top problem, the one in blue, it says 3 plus blank equals 7. That was something we were doing a few weeks ago. 3 plus blank equals 7. Okay, well, 7's our big number, so you can do this a few different ways, right? Some kids like to make a math mountain. 7's our big number. We know we have 3. We have to figure out that other number. That's fine. You could also start at 3 and count up to 7. So you go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, right? And whatever we're going to do, or you can do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get your answer. Now, that's kind of what we've been doing. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take that same idea, we're just going to branch it out a little and make it a little more complex, right? So instead of using smaller numbers, we're going to go into teen numbers. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So I look here, I see 8 plus blank equals 14. Now, this gets a little harder. You could still do the same strategies, right? I could put 14 at the top of my math mountain. I know I have 8. I have to figure out this missing number. You could do that. You could count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or I could put 8 in my head and count up to 14. So ready? We're going to stop when we get to 14. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 6, right? So this is how we find unknowns. I thought what we could do to make this a little more fun is I could use actually my favorite toy, which was my Thundercats lunchbox that I brought in to help us solve some problems at home. So get a dry erase board or a piece of paper, whatever it is that you want to use, and I'll be right back and we're going to have some fun. All right, so listen. Here's how we're going to do this, and we're going to have some fun. I wrote a math problem. I used 4 dry erase boards, and I have my Thundercat lunchbox to help us. So let's read it together. Ready? 7 plus blank equals 13. At home right now, write 7 plus blank equals 13. We're going to come back and solve it. Okay, so solve it first. If you need to pause the video, pause the video. But let's take a look at what that answer is. Now, a few different strategies. 13 is my big number. I could put 13 at the top of my math mountain, put 7 on one side, figure it out. I can start at 7 and count up to 13. Let's see if this will work. Here we go. 7 plus blank equals 13. All right, here we go. 7 plus blank equals 13. Oh, it fell, but look at it. What's our answer? 7 plus 6 equals 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7 plus 6 equals 13. All right, I'll get another one set up for you. All right, next up, we have 9 plus blank equals 14. Now, if you want to, if you need to, pause the video for a moment. But 9 plus blank equals 14. 14 is our big number. You can put it at the top of a math mountain. You can start at the smaller number 9 and count on. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Whatever it is, it's going to help you solve it. And here we go. 9 plus, Is 1 a good guess? No, because 9 plus 1 is 10, so it's got to be bigger than 1. All right, here we go. Thundercats, ho! Ah, look, there it was. 9 plus 5 equals 14. 9 plus 5 equals 14. Hopefully you had it, my friends. Now, some of you might know 10 plus 4 equals 14. So if it's 9, then we need one more than 4, which is 5. So 9 plus 5 equals 14. All right, we'll do one more. All right, boys and girls, our next problem, I changed it just a little. It's still one unknown. The unknown in this problem comes at the beginning. So it says blank plus 9 equals 17. Again, don't panic when you see a problem like this. You're following the same strategies. If you want to make a math mountain, great. Put 17 at the top, put 9 on one side, you have to figure out the other. Or what you could do is start at 9 and count up to 17. 9, 10, 11, 12. Get to 17, that'll be your answer. So, if you want to pause it. But let's find out what the missing number is. All right, blank plus 9 equals 17. Thundercats, ho! Oh, did you see that? Check it out. Our boy, Puzzle Penguin. We need the answer though, man. It's not penguin plus 9 equals 17. What? Oh, really? Check this out. And he's got it underneath. 8 plus 9 equals 17. All right, these math problems, right? You're finding an unknown. Unknown simply means something we don't know yet. A missing number, a number that's missing. Sometimes it'll be a blank, like an empty square. Sometimes it'll have a question mark. It's your job to figure out what is missing. All right, on the next page, you're going to see some problems that are going to require you to find the unknown. So it might say like 8 plus blank. It'll have one of those yellow boxes. You're going to write the answer. So 8 plus blank equals 16, or 5 plus blank equals 14. And your job is to figure out that missing number. Now, let me come back in 2 seconds here. I just want to think about what our next theme could be. All right, I'll be right back. All right, next math lesson. We're going to do beach day. Now, what does that mean? It means bathing suits. It means towels. It means maybe toys you play with outside at the beach. Maybe sunglasses, right? Maybe a sun hat. Whatever it is that makes you feel like you're at the beach. I'm going to wear a bathing suit. You best believe that. Mr. Duty be in a bathing suit. So I'll see you next time for beach day. Have some fun with it. Hawaiian day, you know. Just something cool to make this at-home learning a little more fun. If you want to not dress up, that's okay. If you want to be what my grandma would have said, a fuddy-duddy, someone who doesn't like to have fun, then you be a fuddy-duddy, all you want. But me and all my other friends who want to have some fun, we're going to dress up in our beach stuff. So I'll see you next time, and go Bills.